Scene script. Have you ever wondered how researchers discover what millions of people think, feel, or do? The secret lies in the art of data collection, a fundamental step that shapes the landscape of knowledge across various fields. Let's dive into the world of data collection methods, each with its unique approach and utility. First up, surveys. This method involves gathering responses from a large number of participants through questionnaires. These can be distributed online via face-to-face interactions or through mail. Surveys are particularly effective for obtaining broad insights from a large population about their behaviors, preferences, or opinions. Moving on to interviews, this method engages a more direct interaction between the researcher and the participant. Interviews can be structured with a set list of questions or unstructured, allowing for free-flowing conversation. This technique is invaluable for gaining deep insights into an individual's perspectives, experiences, and perceptions. Next, observation stands out as a method that involves directly watching behaviors or events in their natural setting. This can be done with or without the knowledge of those being observed. Observation is crucial for understanding actual behaviors directly rather than relying on self-reported data, which can sometimes be biased. Experiments, another cornerstone of data collection, are used to establish cause and effect relationships between variables. In this controlled setup, researchers manipulate one variable to see the effect on another, ensuring a high level of control over external factors. This method is widely used in scientific studies to validate hypotheses with precision. Lastly, the analysis of existing data involves using previously gathered data from databases, archives, or earlier publications. This method allows researchers to explore new insights or confirm past findings without the need for new data collection. It is cost-effective and efficient, particularly when resources or time are limited. In summary, choosing the right data collection method is pivotal. Whether it's through surveys, interviews, observations, experiments, or analyzing existing data, each method offers distinct advantages and fits different research needs. Understanding these methods enhances the accuracy and reliability of data, ultimately contributing to the robustness of conclusions drawn in research studies. The choice of method can make or break a study, underscoring the importance of thoughtful selection based on the research question, resources available, and the desired precision of the findings.